If you are wondering if there is a protective case included inside the box of OnePlus 15R, then the answer seems to be both yes and no. And what I mean by that is that it depends on the region where you purchase the phone. In this case, I have a phone from Europe. I purchased it in Europe. And in this case, unfortunately, the protective case is not included inside the box. My phone didn't come with the protective case inside the box. Now, this can actually be different for various countries in Europe, but in this case, it seems that the protective case is not included. However, if you, for example, check the OnePlus.in website, so the page or the website actually for India, then over there you can find out that the protective case is actually included inside the box. So this is what I mean, that the answer depends where you live and depends on your country or region. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.